Hey y'all, I'm Erica Nolan and welcome to the Holistic Homestead. I'm a licensed landscape horticulturalist with a certification in horticultural studies, and I've spent over a decade helping people globally transform their own backyards into food abundant ecosystems holistically and organically. I started out running an organic landscaping company in New Orleans, and we did everything from beautiful landscapes, organic lawn care, composting systems, edible gardens, rooftop gardens, chickens and topiaries and green walls. And then I shifted that business into consulting where I was able to help people globally. Here on this channel, you'll find garden tips for every season, animal care and homestead life, natural health and regenerative soil practices, DIY projects, composting, and preserving your harvest. Whether you're starting some seeds on the patio or managing acreage, this is where modern homesteading meets ancestral wisdom. So hit that subscribe button, check out my memberships for more one-on-one support, and let's grow something beautiful together.